Hey everyone, very good morning. Let's go for our lesson for today. Okay, today our topic is shadow. For that, you have to refer your textbook page number 66. Okay, look at here. Why are the black object following us? Look at the object. Actually, what is that black object? Yes, that is the shadows. Okay, how is a shadow formed? Let us investigate. Look at here, this one is the first investigation. You have to do this investigation. Refer your textbook, page number 66. Okay, for what you have to do this investigation to produce a shadow. For that, you need torch, clay, white card, model of an animal, also a mahjong paper. If you not have a model, you can use any other object like eraser or anything. Okay, for mahjong paper, if you not have the mahjong paper, you can use the white paper. So, follow step by step. Number 1, mark A to D on the mahjong paper. Then second, place a torch on the clay in the middle of the mahjong paper. Do same like in the picture. Okay, number 3, switch on the torch. Place the model of the animal in position A. Then observe the screen. Okay, observe the screen. Then number 4, move the model of the animal to position C. Okay, you move the model. Then observe the screen. Then move the model to the position C. Observe the screen. And last one, move the model to the D and observe the screen. Okay, this table you have to copy in your science book. Number 5, record your observation in the table. Okay, in the position of A, can you see the shadow or not? Okay, if the shadow is formed, you write there form. If not formed, you write there not formed. Only in the one position only the shadow will form. So at which position of the object is the shadow formed? Answer also the question. So how the shadow form? A shadow is formed when light is blocked by an object. Yes, a shadow form when light is blocked by an object. Okay, let's go for our exercise for today. Okay, exercise 1. In your activity book, page 39. Compare light and dark. So you compare the situation below, then you answer the question. Exercise 2. State the differences in the following pictures. Okay, in the dark situation, hard to read. So in the bright situation, so what is your answer? So put your answer there, either easy or hard. Okay, this one is the activity book, page number 40. Okay, this one exercise 3, same book, page 41. Arrange an object to form a shadow. So in the table of observation, you write there have shadow or no shadow. Okay, then answer the question. Okay, then you look at page 42. This one is the exercise 4, but this one you have do this investigation. This one is the second investigation. Observe the clarity of shadow. For that, you need white screen, torch, and object to test any object. Okay, then you follow step by step, do this investigation. Number 1, arrange the tools and material as shown. Number 2, flash the torch onto the notebook. Okay, this one they use the notebook as the object. Then number 3, repeat step 2 using other objects. Then number 4, record your observation in the table given. Okay, look at the table. Okay, first you must use the notebook. Second, glass bottle, pencil, plastic ruler, and transparency. Transparency, that means you can use any transparent object like transparent plastic. Then you torch. After that, you write here, okay, like the notebook. This one, the notebook. Okay, you tick here either the shadow that you can see in the white screen, clear, less clear, or no shadow. Okay, if have shadow, you tick clear. Okay. Then if not if have shadow but not clear, you tick less clear, and if not have shadow, you tick no shadow. Okay, understand? Okay, so this one you have to do and tick. After you tick, you will answer the question number 1 and number 2. Easy only. Okay, then let's go to your exercise 5. This one in your module, in your exercise book. Okay, this one, unit 6, you have to find out what are the importance of light to humans. Then exercise 6, also in your module, you write bright or dark in the box for each diagram below. Exercise 7, you have to draw the shadow for each of the following object, also in your module. And this one, exercise 8, also in your module, state the clarity of shadow for each of the following. Right there, either the shadow is clear or less clear. Okay? Okay, exercise 9, also in your module, just place your hand in front of ray of light as shown below. Match with the correct shadow. This one you can play at your home. Okay, that's all. So you have 2 investigation and 9 exercise. So after finish, send the photo of investigation 1 and 2. Then answer for exercise 1 to 9 in the Telegram group. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you enjoy our lesson for today and see you next week. Thank you so much.